7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, click, down treble, hop back, treble, hop back, down treble and toe, diddle da, bang, cut, bang, 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 treble and bang, bang. How's it going, everybody? Tyler Schwartz here, and welcome back to the channel where we go through all things Irish dance. In today's video, we are going through the second step of the treble reel in a series of 4. If you haven't learned the first step, you can learn it. It's posted before this one. This is the second step. We just did down treble, treble, step in treble, up toe, heel, down treble, hop back. We're gonna go from there into the next step. All right, so we just did our back foot. You're gonna kick your front leg up. And we're gonna do 2 hop backs. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, again, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's even rhythms straight through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From there, we're going to we're gonna squish the bug on both feet, heels out, and then we're gonna bring our toes out. Okay, so 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. 8 is gonna be sliding the feet together and clicking our heels. So 2, 3, and 1, 2. From there, heels up, we're gonna do 3 treble hop backs in a row. Into a bang. Ready? So 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. You can kind of hear that rhythm. 7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We're gonna go into down treble, hop toe, into a drum heel, and a drum heel. So instead of and a drum step, we're gonna use, instead of a step, we're just gonna drop the heel from where we planted our foot. So we're gonna go after the toe, into a bang, hop, into a cut, bang. Down treble, hop, toe, and a drum heel, bang, cut, bang. Or even slower, or even faster. We're gonna put all our weight on that right foot into a down treble, switch bang, switch treble, switch bang, bang, and then a clap. So we're gonna go down treble, and we're gonna put all our weight onto that right foot. So we can go left, right, clap, down is gonna be our next step. Okay, so we did one more time, 2, 3, and down treble and toe, and we 1, bang, cut, bang, down treble, switch, bang, down treble, switch, bang, bang, clap, and then the next foot is gonna be 1, 2, 3, and 2, 2, 3. So yeah, again from the top, 2, 3, or 7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, click, down treble, hop back, treble, hop back, treble, hop back, down treble and toe, diddle da, bang, cut, bang, 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 treble and bang, bang, and then into the next part. Let's try that to music. 5 and 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can't bang too loud, you know, we got neighbors, but I hope you enjoyed the video. Drop any questions you have down in the comments below. If this class was too fast or too slow. If it's too fast and you need to pick it up again, hit it all, drop it to the beginning, and maybe hit the playback speed option to, you know, back to 75% or something. That's a fantastic feature at YouTube, is we're able to always rewind, retake the classes, but then also at a different speed too, if I'm talking too slow or talking too fast. yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the third step of this treble reel series, and I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, happy dancing. Pew.